Hi guys, I'm Danny from Carbonwurks, and today we have quite a simple little part, but actually has a very big effect on the front end, and this is the M Performance Front Canards. So these come as a 4-piece kit, and you've got the 2 larger canards here and the 2 smaller canards. We actually have these pre-installed with double-sided tape, but we do recommend that actually these are installed from the inside out. So some people like to use sealant, some people like to use the screws that we supply. But effectively, it needs to have a nice solid fitment, because obviously these cars are capable of speed, and it does actually give some good downforce on the front end, believe it or not. So like all the other parts, it's 2x2 Twill, Pre-Preg Autoclave carbon. A very effective little modification, and they're not massive money relative to some of the other bits. But if you're wanting that extra aggression from the front end of your car, this is one of the things that I'd recommend doing. It may not be for everyone's taste, but funny enough, this is a personal part that I thought that may not look all that good on the car, but now seeing it, they look fantastic, and it really does add quite a lot to the front end. Particularly if you are going with the other M Performance kit, this really is a must. So hope you enjoyed the video and enjoy the part.